Hello tech lovers, today's video is on K911 Max GPS drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. The invention of drones has dramatically modernized our recreational or practical activities, because our tastes have changed along with technology. For example, drones are currently being used for entertainment or commercial purposes. We see various types of drones on the market. The Share Fun Buy brand has brought the most innovative and attractive K911 Max GPS drone to the market. Today in this video we will discuss the various structural features, technical functions, and advantages and disadvantages of this model of drone. So let's get to the main discussion without delay. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those. The expanded size of this drone is 32 by 32 by 8 centimeters, and the folded size of the drone is 15.5 by 9 by 8 centimeters. The primary materials of the drone are apps, hardware, and electronics, so we can easily understand that the drone is straightforward to fold. And easy to fry means we know it's easily portable. Overall, the performance and structural features of the drone are combined in a way that gives the drone a solid structure. In short, the design of the drone is beautiful and portable. The drone's high-definition cameras enhance the quality of the footage. The drone has a 4K professional 8K dual HD camera. This camera is an exciting addition. The camera is of such quality that it can quickly capture any scene from a distant place. It is also possible to convert small objects into smaller objects later. In this drone, dual camera switching is available. Through this, you will feel quite comfortable taking pictures. In addition to taking photos from different angles, you can also take photos from specific angles. The battery parameter of this drone is 7.4 volts, 1800 milliamp hours. The function of the modular battery is to make it easy to install and remove the battery. The 7.4 volts, 1800 milliamp hours capacity module design lasts about 20 minutes, enough for you to enjoy flying and have a fascinating feeling. Now it is time to discuss various functions of K911 Max GPS drone. We all want to beautify images. If you think that you don't take a picture, this picture is automatically beautiful, then this is very nice. The photos taken by this type of camera automatically become attractive. You don't have to worry about it. This is called a unique addition. We all know that for drones, hovering is very necessary. Hovering is a must if you want to make a great video, because this process helps the drone fly in a relaxed mode and smoothly relax as well. It also helps when trying to climb in or out of the road. Its job is basically to keep the drone stable. Image transmission is an essential feature of drones. Through this, you can easily make distant objects enjoyable. Moreover, you can enlarge any image by zooming 50 times. The 5 grams high-definition rich image transmission makes this drone a top choice for customers. It creates a 14.50x zoom capability. It ensures the safety of the drone through GPS positioning and optical flow positioning in dual mode. Moreover, the drone can sense obstacles through infrared rays, which protects against a significant loss. 911 Max features 360-degree omnidirectional laser obstacle avoidance. The flight environment of this drone is indoor and outdoor, and PDZ is ESC. On the other hand, the remote control is 90 degrees up and down. The GPS type is dual-mode GPS and GLONASS. The fence includes an adjustable height of 120 meters and a distance of 300 meters. Through this process, a customer can fly the drone using a mobile phone using only the mid-range sensor. As a result, a new customer can quickly drive it. Moreover, you can control or operate the drone back and forth as you wish using your mobile phone. In this case, your swing will apply. Let's discuss the pros and cons of this device as well as check out what the drone has to offer. Pros: the drones are equipped with high-quality 8K cameras. The technical structure of the drone is easy to carry. The drone has many quality features for less money. Dual camera switching is available. The drone has 5G high-definition image transmission. Cons: the internal construction of the drone should be comparatively more advanced. The remote control mechanism of drones needs to be more advanced. Areas of stability are somewhat restricted. If you ask me if the drone is appropriate for the average consumer, I will say yes, or whether the customer can afford it. Then I would suggest that the drone, in this case, is your preferred first line. Moreover, it is straightforward to use for beginners. There are specials for skilled or novice drivers. Technically rich. Buy the highest quality drone you can afford and get more out of your entertainment. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below.